clamping system for round metal ductwork. How it works is for each traverse joint you have one sure clamp with two sections of flange ductwork. The sure clamp is a gasketed metal band. It has flange guides. The guides center the flanges on the gasket. Also, there's a draw latch. To clamp a section together, you open the sure clamp, slide it over the flanges, and close the clamp. Once the clamp is in the closed position, you have a tight joint. No adjustments are needed. Also, sure clamp is available with an adjustable draw latch. The adjustable draw latch allows you to adjust the clamp tension as you need. Sure clamp is a very versatile product. It has many applications. Notice the inside of the ductwork. It's very smooth and there's no exposed fasteners. Also, keep in mind that any section can be removed to gain access to the ductwork system. This is ideal for dust and smoke collection. Sure clamp ductwork is also very popular in laboratory fume hood exhaust. The sure clamp provides a tight seal and gives you the ability to incorporate other manufacturers' products into the ductwork system, such as this Venturi air valve and this automatic damper. Sure clamp ductwork is available in spiral seam ductwork with lengths up to 10 feet. Also available in long seam ductwork with lengths up to 5 feet. Sure clamp ductwork is manufactured from galvanized, galvanneal, PVC coated, and also stainless steel. Sure clamp ductwork provides you with a quick and easy installation and gives you the confidence you need that your joints are sealed tight. Sure clamp ductwork systems can be easily modified. That's very important to match your customers' changing needs. This is sure clamp ductwork. It's a clamping system for round metal air duct.